I spent the first 30 years of my life searching for a feeling of purpose, a feeling of connection, a feeling of being desired and appreciated. I was searching for this feeling in all the wrong places, through romantic relationships, through career achievements, through nightclubs, and worst of all, through the validation and opinions of others. Nothing in my life was working out the way I wanted it to. Nothing was giving me that feeling I was searching for. And all of a sudden, I spiraled into a depression. I was what appeared to be happy on the outside. I wore a smile. Things looked perfect from the outside. But on the inside, I felt lost, scared, and alone. I don't even know how it happened or how I got to that saddened state. Have you ever been at a space where things looked a lot better on the outside than they felt on the inside? I remember sitting on my sofa, staring at the clock every day, waiting for 5 p.m. because that's when it felt acceptable for me to have a glass of wine to take the edge off. I remember this one particular day, sitting there waiting, and all of a sudden I burst into tears. I felt desperate, I felt scared, and for the first time, I started to listen to my inner guidance system because I wasn't willing to take it anymore. I wasn't willing to go down the lonely, dark road I was on. I listened to an ever-knowing feeling in the pit of my stomach telling me there had to be more. I just had a deep knowing that there was more to life than what I was currently experiencing. Can you relate? Have you ever felt like there has to be more? I knew I needed a purpose, and I was desperate to find one. This discomfort activated me to search the one place I hadn't searched for happiness and fulfillment. My intuition led me on a path to study joy and purpose and research how science can actually help someone make their dreams come true. The discomfort in my average and ordinary life led me to quantum physics. These are the tools that have helped me to become fully alive, passionate, happy, and fulfilled. And I'm excited to share them with you today so you can also become fully alive, passionate, and lit up from the inside out. Now, when I ask you what quantum physics means to you, some of you are like, quantum physics? Quantum what? Quantum when? Quantum who? And I can totally relate because I've been there too. Some of you already know what quantum physics is, and it's an exciting conversation. And then there are those of you that are now intrigued. You want to know about quantum physics so we can do something magical in your life, just like it's done in mine. 6 years ago, I didn't even know what the term quantum physics meant. And once I learned about quantum physics and these 5 quantum tools to catapult my dreams, I blew my own mind. I became crystal clear on my purpose. I became a best-selling author. I created a profitable, thriving, mission-based business fully aligned with my dreams and became a successful thought leader, inspiring thousands to their highest truth. My life is now filled with joy and excitement, but it's not enough for just me to be happy. And what really hurts my heart is there's so many great people with amazing dreams. Dreams of transforming lives, traveling the world, earning great money so that they can touch and inspire more people with that great money. And so many of these people never see their dreams come to pass because they don't understand how to utilize the tools of quantum physics. What are your big dreams? Your dreams are not supposed to die with you. You're supposed to live and breathe these dreams. I am deeply passionate about this topic because I believe that we're living in a time when the responsibility is on us, as well as the opportunity available to us to find, to seek out, to create happy lives. Okay, so this is going to be a simplified version of a class you either loved or a class you loved to avoid? Have you ever walked into a room and you just felt lit up instantly? You felt good energy. You felt alive, inspired, high vibrations were flowing, and you just knew it was gonna be a good day. Yeah? That is energy flowing. On the other hand, have you ever walked into a room and it just didn't feel good? It felt heavy and low vibe and like you just wanted to avoid it. Nothing bad had even happened yet. You just want it out of there. That is energy as well. We feel high vibes and we feel low vibes. This is what I'm talking about. Quantum physics proves that everything emits energy. You are skin. You are bones. We are physical matter. But we're also energy. Some of you might be thinking this sounds a little woo-woo, but it's real, it's science, and it's proven. Let me show you what I mean. This is a graph of the Hertz vibration scale, and this demonstrates the frequencies in which our emotions emit. What that means is based on the way that you're feeling and the thoughts that you're thinking, you send out a signal, an energy that reflects your outer world. When you tune into a specific frequency, you receive that frequency. Just like on the radio, when you tune in to a certain channel, you receive the frequency of that channel. And on a TV, when you tune in to that channel, you receive the frequency of that channel. Each and every one of you, if you can hear my voice, you have the capability, the capacity to embody a frequency that matches your dreams. And it's your job to always engage the highest vibration available to you. Some of the lower vibrations, as you can see on the chart, are anger, grief, shame, fear. Some of the higher vibrations are love, joy, appreciation, and excitement. You're always gonna have a feeling running through you, and the more you can manage that feeling to be a higher vibration, the more you're gonna receive circumstances and opportunities that match that feeling. What's most exciting about this is I've not only seen it work in my own life, I've seen it work in thousands of clients' lives as well. It could be a financial gain or a self-worth or self-love gain. There's one client I witnessed go from serving 2 people to 2,000 people using these tools. I've witnessed clients double, triple, quadruple their income and even create consistent 6-figure months using these quantum tools. There was one client that was feeling very disconnected with a low self-worth, and after implementing these quantum tools, her relationships were off the charts, her levels of fulfillment were through the roof, and she had joy and happiness where she once had shame and fear. This is the juice. These are the quantum tools for you to start implementing now.